Welcome to Dania's Corner, where tech always makes sense. If your computer feels slow, don't worry. We're going to walk you through quick fixes you can do right now without spending $1. Restart your computer. First up, the easiest fix of all, a fresh reboot clears memory, closes stuck apps, and solves a surprising number of slowdowns. Close necessary background apps. Ever notice your computer grinding to a halt? Open up your Task Manager on Windows or Activity Monitor on Mac and quit anything chewing up CPU or memory, especially heavy browsers with too many tabs. Clean up storage. Think of your hard drive like a closet. If it's crammed, it's a pain to find anything. Delete big downloads, old videos, and duplicate files. Then empty the recycle bin or trash. Aim for at least 10 to 20% free space. Computers slow down when the drive is crammed. Manage startup programs. Nobody likes a slow start to the day. On Windows, use Task Manager, Startup. On Mac, use System Settings, Login Items. Disable anything you don't need launching every time to make your boot-ups and everyday use way faster. Update your system and apps. Don't ignore those notifications. Install the latest Windows or macOS updates and update your browser and drivers. Those performance patches are for real. Clear browser bloat. Did you know your browser can be a huge memory hog? Remove extensions you don't use. Clear your cache and cookies, and consider limiting the number of tabs you have open. Check power settings. If you're on a laptop, a simple change can make a big difference. Switch from battery saver to balanced or performance when plugged in to make sure your CPU isn't being held back. Run a malware scan. Sometimes, a sneaky program is the culprit. Use a trusted tool like the built-in Windows Security or a reputable on-demand scanner to catch anything slowing you down. Tidy your desktop. A cluttered desktop isn't just an eyesore. It can slow down your startup. Move piles of files into folders and let the search index rebuild. Defragment your drive, Windows only. If you're on an older hard drive, you'll want to run a built-in defrag. But a quick heads up, if you have an SSD, do not defrag. Just let the OS handle trim automatically. Bonus, keep things cool. Is your laptop hot to the touch? Performance drops when a device overheats. Make sure the vents aren't blocked and give it a quick dust out if you can. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for tuning in to Dania's Corner, where tech always makes sense.